Hello, we are ICECO, and we are pleased to introduce our newly designed VL Pro series of mobile refrigerators. The VL Pro series represents a significant redesign and upgrade from our existing line of products. The fridge lid is designed to open in multiple orientations from either lengthwise sides, allowing you easy access to cold storage even in the confined space inside a traveling vehicle. The multi-opening lid design also gives our customers the flexibility to find the perfect spot for VL Pro. 4 capacities are available in the VL Pro single and dual zone variants. Single zones are available in both the 45 and 60 liter sizes, and dual zone units come in at 75 and 90 liters capacities. With a large capacity of containing more than 100 cans, the independently controlled compartments can be both set for freezing or refrigeration as needed. The 12 24-volt DC ports are installed on both sides of the fridge, and the VL Pro's built-in AC transformer allows you to pre-cool the fridge from your home outlet. The conveniently placed USB outlets give the passengers an easy, stable charging platform inside a moving vehicle. ICECO continues to use C-cup compressors as the hearts of our products. We also provide a 5-year warranty for the compressor. Our engineers have also strengthened the support structure of compressor compartment and the fridge corners. Detachable handles and corner guards can provide extra clearance when the space is tight and limited. The fridge cooling rate can be selected between Max mode for fast cooling or Eco mode for more energy-efficient, longer-term cold storage scenarios. The triple-level battery protection setting prevents vehicle battery depletion, and the control board memory function prevents the refrigerator temperature from being accidental resetting due to accidental power disconnect or disruptions. The Pro Series is also engineered for the often unforgiving real world. They can operate normally within a 40-degree tilt. Rubberized waterproof connectors provide weatherproofing to ensure the VL Pro's functionality in outdoor or humid environments. You can adjust the temperature from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 0 degrees Fahrenheit as you desire. The unused zone can be shut down independently for additional energy savings. Convenient interior lights for easy access in the dark. Removable wired basket allows quick emptying and restocking of the fridge. Built-in drain port makes it easy to keep your fridge clean as new. ICECO will always strive to make life easier, whether on the road or out in the wild. For this very goal, the VL Pro was born. We look forward to accompanying you to every corner of the world.
Dometic knows space can be a concern when preparing for a trip. We also know cooling and freezing without ice can be a necessity. That is why we designed a full line of CFX-powered coolers, ranging from an ultra-compact cooler to our dual-zone models. The new generation of CFX3-powered coolers offers superior design and performance. Regardless of cooler size, there are a handful of tips to optimize cooler performance, so you can bring more of the food and drinks you love wherever you go. Prior to departure, cool your CFX3 to the desired temperature by using your home's AC outlet. This will lower energy consumption when the CFX3 is using your vehicle's DC power. If using DC power during initial cooldown, Dometic recommends priming the compartment with a few cold items. These items will act as cooling agents, reducing energy consumption, and will help maintain internal temperatures. Building off these user tips, we will now illustrate how to operate your cooler. Press and hold the power button to turn on the CFX3. The CFX3 features an easy-to-use, waterproof, high-resolution color display with soft touch buttons. Pressing the OK button calls up the settings display, while the up and down buttons navigate the menu. Make your final selections by pressing OK. Using the arrow buttons, find CF temp units from the menu for choosing Celsius or Fahrenheit, and make your selection by pressing OK. Next, go to the Set Temp option and press OK. Toggle between zones and adjust compartment target temperature with the up and down arrows, pressing OK when making your selection. We recommend 41 degrees Fahrenheit for refrigeration and 5 degrees Fahrenheit for freezing. CFX3 offers a 3-stage dynamic battery protection system to prevent dead car batteries and allows for a deep draw on dual batteries. Select Battery Protection in the display menu and choose from low, medium, or high levels. We recommend the medium setting for most vehicles and low when connected to an auxiliary battery. If the alert low voltage message appears on the display, it means your input voltage is too low. Verify the socket has power by testing with a phone charger or something similar, and avoid using extension cords and splitters. Have confidence your CFX3 is keeping food fresh and drinks cold by connecting to the new CFX3 Bluetooth Wi-Fi app. Control compartment temperature and monitor cooler performance right from your smartphone. Once you have downloaded the CFX3 app, connect the cooler and phone. Select Bluetooth from the menu. Next, select Pair and press OK. The Bluetooth icon blinks until connected. If you prefer an internet connection, select Wi-Fi from the menu. To adjust brightness, select Display and adjust to your desired level. Our convenient wire baskets allow easy transport of items between refrigerator and cooler. Strong aluminum alloy carry handles look great and provide a sturdy anchor for tie-down straps. When vehicle space becomes a precious commodity, the handles can be detached to obtain more packing space. And because it doesn't waste space with ice, a CFX3 powered cooler offers 60% more storage space than a traditional ice cooler with the same exterior dimensions. Leave space around the vents of your CFX3 powered cooler for proper airflow. Now you have the power to control your outdoor experiences like never before by eating better and enjoying fresher foods. Go farther, stay longer, and experience more.
The AstroAI 4-liter mini fridge is the perfect compact fridge to keep your belongings cool or warm. This fridge is designed to store everything from drinks and snacks to medicine or skincare products, making it convenient for whatever you put in your personal stash. It might be small on the outside, but it impressively stores up to 6 12-ounce soda cans, ensuring you'll always have a cool drink within arm's reach. The removable shelf is perfect for organizing moistures, creams, and masks, so everything is chilled for your routine. With 2 ways to plug in your mini fridge, it's perfect to use in the car on road trips or at your office cubicle. Its eco-friendly engineering is free and works so quietly you'll hardly notice it. The cool to warm technology not only cools down to 32 degrees, but also warms up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. A built-in handle makes it easier to bring your mini fridge anywhere to keep you going on all of life's adventures.